Okay, let's dive into this because this is absolutely wild. For literally decades, AMD and Intel have been the bitterest of rivals. I mean, sworn enemies in the tech world. But they just announced something historic. They've actually teamed up. Yeah, you heard that right. In today's explainer, we're breaking down this shocking new alliance and the completely game-changing update to the x86 architecture they've just unleashed. And listen, this isn't just some minor under-the-hood tweak. We're talking about the biggest change to the x86 architecture since the massive transition to 64-bit computing. The scale of the shift is it's totally unprecedented. It's a really big deal. For years, these two giants just worked on their own architectural extensions totally separately, right? Living in their own silos. So why form this unified x86 ecosystem advisory group right now? Well, it's simple. ARM. ARM's relentless, ever-encroaching push into basically every computing segment has totally forced their hand. AMD and Intel are joining forces strictly to combat ARM. The enemy of my enemy is my friend, right? This alliance has given birth to a serious ultimate weapon, APX, or Advanced Performance Extensions. Now, Intel actually announced this a few years ago, but, well, with AMD officially on board, this next-generation instruction set is actually becoming a joint reality for the whole ecosystem. So the crucial point is, to really understand this hardware shift, we got to look inside the CPU core at the registers. Basically, these are small chunks of storage, essentially the absolute fastest memory the CPU has access to. No jargon, just think of it as the processor's immediate workspace. And this brilliantly illustrates what they're doing. APX literally doubles the number of general-purpose registers. We're jumping straight from 16 in the old x86 setup all the way up to 32. Doubling that lightning-fast top-tier storage is just an absolute massive performance unlock. So what does this actually mean for real-world performance? Well, with more of those registers available, the chip is doing way less busy work just shoving data around. I mean, code compiling alone sees about 10% fewer loads and a full 20% fewer stores. Everything compiles faster, and maybe even more importantly, actual power consumption drops across the board. It's a total win-win. Let's move to and see how this builds out the rest of the architecture. Beyond just the registers, APX adds 3 operand instructions, which totally eliminates all those extra unnecessary move instructions, alongside brand new encoding. But you know what the most impressive part of the whole shebang is? They are pulling all of this off without significantly increasing the actual silicon area or blowing up the power budget. And yeah, they're somehow maintaining full legacy support while doing it. This is honestly a huge leap forward that is absolutely going to revitalize x86. It's a real game changer. But it leaves us with one massive question as we wrap up this rapid-fire explainer today. With ARM rapidly expanding its reach everywhere, is this unprecedented unified front from AMD and Intel actually going to be enough to stop ARM's momentum in the ongoing CPU wars? I guess we're all about to find out.